Hey guys, this is Pavanya and I welcome you all towards our YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to focus in much depth about the Christ University's previous year's important interview questions. So here we'll be understanding in brief which are the questions which they have been asked for previous years, previous batches. So these questions have been taken from your previous batches interview questions which have been conducted to your seniors as well as students who are presently studying in Christ University. On what all questions it has been asked to them. From there, I've inculcated all the questions. I'm going to present it to you because in university it doesn't give any kind of fixed question. So in order to give a clear kind of structure in your preparation as well as to have a proper functionality of your studies in your CUET practice for as well as for your micro presentation, I'll be showing a set of important questions which have been asked for the previous years. As such, you'll get a clear picture. As being said that, now let's start up with the video. Basically, 4 stages in your interview. First one is about self-introduction. It is just to understand your personality. You introduce yourself. Second, the interviewer normally asks your 11th and 12th fundamentals. For example, you have completed commerce or arts or science. They're going to ask you any kind of particular question from that area which you have studied it. So make sure that when you're going for the interview, have a small understanding as well as little concrete structure about what you've studied in your 11th and 12th, basics at least. That's very important. Cool. Third important step is about GK and current affairs. General knowledge and current affairs. When I say general knowledge, it doesn't mean that only you're supposed to know the things which is happening around you, but the general knowledge about the university, basic facts about the core values, vision, mission, as well as why would you like to join to the university, how it can benefit you yourself as well as for the university, recruiting as well as selecting you for this beautiful university. So just have a concrete kind of understanding in those kind of questions. As such, this can be the next third stage for your interview, and then normally they ask even the current affairs. Now the fourth stage is basically the micro presentation, in which, for example, if your interview is for 15 minutes, they divide for 7.5 minutes asking the first 3 stages. That's about self-intro, 11th and 12th fundamentals, GK and CA, and normally the remaining half is kept for micro presentation. So make sure that whenever you're preparing, have a balanced approach and prepare. Even the interviewer can shuffle up the same pattern of basically asking the question. They can even shift towards asking first itself a self-intro, then they can move to GK, then they can move to micro presentation, they can even skip up. It depends upon to the interviewer. So as being said that, this is the basic structure of an interview. So guys, this video is for all those who have applied for Christ University for the courses like BCom and all other combination course associated with it. Similar way with BBA, along with that, for example, BBA, FNA, International Finance or other course, all the factors coming under BBA, BA as well as BBA LLB Honors. So BA LLB Honors, why did I mention? Because one particular reason, in case you are from commerce background and if you're approaching towards LLB field, then this video is also going to help you. So people are not part of this course, I'm not telling you that you cannot refer it, but I'm just telling it, understand the micro presentation topics, that's important for you. Other than that, you can skip out the next interview questions which they asked from your 11th and 12th. So in this video, I'm just going to focus the important questions which they normally ask for 11th and 12th grade student, especially commerce. So make sure that you give little light on this topics while preparing. Guys, these are the first 8 list of important questions which they normally ask for 11th and 12th students if you're coming from commerce background. So all the students from BBA, BCom, BBA LLB as well as BA LLB Honors, make sure that you have a proper understanding of these answers for these questions. First question is about the 3 golden rules of accounting. Very important because even the normal trend of asking this question is very high. As I've just mentioned, it is very, very important. So kindly write it down somewhere. I've mentioned it all the 8 questions, first set of 8 questions. So in the further next part of the video, I can even bring out further important questions. So in this video, first, we are going to focus on the first set of important 8 questions. On that behalf, we'll be continuing with the next set. So first one is about 3 golden rules of accounting. It's very important. Even though when I asked your seniors as well as most of your batchmates who have completed the CUET, it can be understood that this question is normally very repeated question. So kindly give a little more importance towards it. Second question is about what is journal account and ledger account. Simple. Third question, what is SLR, statutory liquidity ratio? Fourth question, who is the present RBI governor? So even learn about who was the previous RBI governor. So make sure that you study both the names. Present is Shaktikant Das, and if I'm not wrong, even the previous one is Urjit Patel. The fifth question is about what is a realization account. Sixth question is about what is depreciation. Seventh question, what is debit. Eighth question is what is credit. So these are the first 8 list of questions. So kindly just prepare it. And in case you have any kind of doubt, kindly mention in the comment box and I shall surely answer it to you to those questions. Now looking upon to the 8 important topics of a micro presentation which was asked last year. The first one being what is Make in India, in which you're supposed to speak for at least for 7 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes. Second question is about is freedom of speech important? Third question, what are COVID-19 impacts? Fourth question, COVID-19 impacts on the economy. Fifth one, COVID-19 impacts on the business. Sixth one, COVID-19 impacts on the migrant workers as well as migrant laborers. Seventh question, how can India boost its economy during COVID-19? And eighth question was about CAA and NRC. So you guys can understand that all these questions have been asked which was trending during that particular year. That was during 2020. So similar way, when you are applying as well as when you're approaching for your interview, you can get the question which has been trending now. The hot topics like Farmers Bill as well as the present different kind of laws which has been passed by the parliament. It can be in terms of cyber law, different kind of laws which has been passed. So make sure that you have a constant practice in those kind of questions. As such, it can help you a lot. So that's all for today, guys. If you do like this video, please do like it, share it as well as subscribe so that it can even motivate for me to upload more videos on it. So these are the first list of important questions which I just got from the previous batch. Even I'll be just uploading more videos about it in the coming set of videos. So kindly do watch it. And if you do like it, please do like it. Once again, I'm just informing. And if you have any doubt, kindly put it in the comment box and I should surely reply. See you, a good day. Wish you a wonderful day. All the best.